看的 T.A.C You To Travel， 我是Chanel，网页按照开启小铃铛，还有欧啦，longer，Hi everyone, I am little chef Chanel. I will teach you how to make sushi. It's daily favorite. Let's start. We will use 3 ways. First, using pan. Second, use bamboo mat. Third, use bazooka. Our rice is cooked. I cook 3 cups rice. Now, we will cook vinegar. We need half cup vinegar, 1/4 cup sugar, this one, 1 tablespoon salt, this one. Put for vinegar. Next sugar. Next salt. Are you rich? Are you rich? Whisk. Prepare the filling. Be careful when slicing. Wow, our ingredients.
Wow.
Look, cucumber, carrot, egg and ham, wash with vinegar, seaweed seed, this one, 海苔，鸡蛋火腿，红萝卜，小黄瓜，拌肉松，耶！Clean hand. Smooth. Here is one. Smooth face down. About 1 cup rice. Don't put rice here. First is egg. Carrots, cucumber, my favorite lotion, yes, right. Mommy will help me. Let's use it. Hold it your neck very quickly. We don't need use like that.
Next, we'll use.
Second flavor, tuna mayo. 这个。 Sushi inside out. Fry the fish fillet. Fish fillet, cucumber, avocado, rice, seaweed fillet. We use bamboo net. Small side up. Put the rice. Press, 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 press.你这怎么弄啊？我也要弄啊！
等一下给你一点点。好，
你这是什么
avocado.
？Avocado。
press。
Lift
up up。
你一起
lift lift。
And then on.
No。press。
Press. And
up lift。对，还有。
push. Up. Lift.
hard work。哇！
It's so pretty. This is sprinkles, this is egg, and this is head. 好哎。你看我的拉面肉，还有怎么煮错了？
This one.
对。Hey, look, fine. Here, fine. This one is colorful.
好吃吗？
我没有吃到东西。哇哦，真 yummy！ You can also make sushi at home. Let's study. First, sushi. This one I like. Sushi 寿司 knife 刀子 smooth 光滑的 inside 里面握拳宝贝，按照开启小铃铛 ，Please like and subscribe， 爸爸。我好喜欢你。卢卡。
喜欢我们频道的朋友，麻烦帮我们按赞、订阅、加分享，以及开启小铃铛，日后会有更多有趣好玩的影片跟大家分享哦。
Please like and subscribe，拜拜。